Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing well और आज का जो ट्रिप है it is one of the most awaited trip of my itinerary and it is from Bangalore to Udupi in the monsoons. Well, initially it was supposed to be a monsoon ride, लेकिन coastal part of the Karnataka was under alert, heavy rain alert. So हमने सोचा कि let's do it by car rather than postponing the entire trip. And we started around 4 from Bangalore, and the route that we have selected is via Mangalore. So we decided कि हम पहले Mangalore से enter करेंगे towards Udupi, and the road conditions and the weather conditions were not under our control. लेकिन थोड़ा R&D करने के बाद we were positive enough कि हाँ चलो ये monsoon ride तो करना ही है. So this was indeed a much awaited trip क्योंकि मैंने already coastal part of Karnataka ride किया है from Murdeshwar towards Gokarna and then I have entered to Goa. लेकिन the other part of coastal Karnataka that is from Mangalore to Udupi was not covered by me yet. And as expected, the road conditions were really good till Sakleshpur and it was a bliss to drive along. The Shiradi Ghat area was also not bad considering it was peak monsoon. There were some patches जहाँ पे road works हो रहे थे and there were some evidences of landslides and we were completely aware of such incidences and we were prepared for it. But before that, I have to mention कि सुबह का वक्त open roads and such beautiful conditions. सुबह का राइड जहाँ जैसे हमारा शुरू हुआ it was a truly bliss and indeed मैं तो होप कर रहा था कि पूरा जो ट्रिप है वो भी अच्छा जाने वाला है despite of monsoon alert over the region. The open roads, इतने beautiful scenarios और ये सुबह का वक्त और हमको चाहिए था एक कप चाय जो हमको थोड़ी देर बाद ही मिलने वाला था just because we had to put a halt for refuel. तो हमने एक पेट्रोल पंप पे हमने रोका, we used the washroom, we had some tea over there and the weather was amazing. It was early in the morning, I think by 7 we reached over there. So when we started from Bangalore, वहाँ पे कोई बारिश नहीं था, but by the time we were about to reach Sakleshpur, हल्का हल्का बूंदाबांदी शुरू हो गया था. They were drizzling. But यार मानसून का अलग ही चार्म होता है. The nature and its surroundings are at its peak. So as I have already mentioned, so there were some patches जहाँ पे काम हो रहे थे and there were diversions, so you have to be careful if you are coming this way. And during the monsoons you have to be extra careful because हम लोग गाड़ी में थे, so we were a little bit relaxed compared to those who are planning to come by two-wheelers. It was drizzling sometimes and it was heavy showers at times and we have to be too much careful during heavy showers क्योंकि इस घाट regions में visibility बहुत ही low हो जाता है when it is showering very heavily. Although Udupi is one of the least suggested places to visit during the monsoons, लेकिन मैं तो कहूँगा भाई monsoons में definitely one should plan, considering the weather alerts and the calamities that are happening in and around, just because you have to pass the ghat section also and these ghat sections are kind of unpredictable. But बारिश में इस जगह की नेचुरल ब्यूटी कुछ अलग ही होती है. दो हमने जो बारिश एंजॉय किया है, जो हमने फेस किया है थ्रू आउट द ट्रिप वाज ड्यूरिंग द राइड्स क्योंकि थैंकफुली कभी भी हम लोग कहीं पे जा रहे थे, कहीं पे हम लोग हॉल्ट कर रहे थे तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा बारिश कम हो रहा था, सो वी वर एंजॉइंग द मानसून कम्प्लीटली. बट द राइड थ्रू दिस वैलीज आर अमेजिंग ड्यूरिंग द मानसून्स. When you come to this section of the Shiradi Ghat, it is truly mesmerizing, very beautiful, or during the monsoon, it is kind of heavenly. यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे waterfalls है in along the way where you can click some pictures, but considering the fact that it's a ghat section और यहाँ पे रोकना थोड़ा risky होता है at times, but the natural beauty of this place is breathtaking and मैं तो definitely बोलूँगा कि आप भी थोड़ा halt करो और यहाँ पे थोड़ा नज़ारे का आनंद उठाओ भाई. So it takes around 8 to 9 hours when you start from Bangalore according to your preferences of halting. So accordingly आप अपना ट्रिप प्लान कीजिए and if you start early morning, so by 11 to 12 you will be reaching Udupi, so you will get the entire day by yourself to explore or to take rest, whatever you prefer. लेकिन थोड़ा जल्दी निकलेंगे तो घाट सेक्शन बोलिए और द ओवर द रोड्स बोलिए, यू विल एंजॉय द ब्यूटी थ्रू आउट. एंड एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन कि कुछ सेक्शंस में काम हो रहे थे एंड ऑल्सो देयर वर सम एविडेंट लैंडस्लाइड्स, सो आपको थोड़ा कॉशियसली ड्राइव करना होगा थ्रू दिस रीजन्स. एंड वंस यू आर पास दैट द रोड फ्रॉम मैंगलोर टू उडुपी इज़ अ ब्लिस and you can ride or drive through the stretches very easily and by enjoying the nature at its peak. So that's it for today's video. If you have liked this video, please subscribe. It will motivate me to do a lot better. Thank you.